Hello, everyone. I'm David Kim. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Monterra, and we are accelerating the deployment of EV chargers, one charger at a time. So let's talk transportation, right? So transportation is one of the heaviest emitting sectors of the global economy, and electrifying it is key to decarbonizing it. And we're getting closer to an inflection point in the transition to EVs as well, as the hand showed, right? In California, for example, EVs have gone from 2% of new car sales to 22% in the last 5 years, and the rest of the US is following a similar path soon. But to support all the EVs, the growing number of EVs in the future, we need to install a lot more EV chargers. To bring some numbers into this, we need 30 million more EV chargers in the US alone by 2030. And to put that number into context, we need to install 8 more chargers every minute between now and 2030 to hit that number. So all that said, we need to really get moving fast. But today, the process for really designing and quoting charger installation is way too slow and expensive. Right? Electrical contractors and project developers are relying on a lot of manual processes, which means multiple hours of desk work and administrative work just to design and quote a single site. So this is really leading to an inefficient lead to proposal cycle, hurting the contractors' bottom lines in this EV charging business, and also really stopping them from growing their EV charging businesses more aggressively. So what do we do about it? So at Monterra, we build software to help them plan, design, and sell projects a lot faster. So today, contractors use a combination of sketches made on Google Maps screenshots, really complicated Excel spreadsheets, and really phone calls and emails back and forth between the field team and the sales office to actually sell these sites. So what we have done is we have brought together all of these processes into one app, streamlined them so that we can help installers work faster and handle greater volume. So here's how this works. First, we have a mobile app that helps electricians in the field capture data a lot more efficiently. They can quickly catalog existing electrical infrastructure on site, take photos of the site and record different information, draw out the different conduit runs, and tag the location of the EV chargers that's going to be installed, et cetera. And all of that data is transferred from the field back into the home office in real time. Then we help contractors really design and quote sites in a matter of minutes. Using a combination of the data collected from the field and the satellite-based imagery, our contractor customers can really quickly put together a site map using our web app, and then auto-calculate the installation costs and the labor associated with the project. This is saving them hours and hours of time that they would be otherwise spending in really clunky spreadsheets that really break all the time, honestly. So from there, finally, we turn all that site design and the project quote into a fully formatted, customer-ready sales proposal with just a few clicks in our web app. So end-to-end, from data collection and the site survey to the proposal creation, a process that used to take installers more than 5 hours of manual work can now be done in less than an hour with the help of Monterra. So what does that mean? That means 80% reduction in the lead to proposal cycle time, 5 times the number of proposals that installers can put out with the same number of staff, and ultimately $500 of value to the contractor's bottom line per every site that they use Monterra for. With that, so we launched our product 3 months into the market. We're working with 10 paying customers that have collectively added more than 200 EV charging sites using our app. And if we think about the long-term future of where we're going, the EV charging design and sales is only a starting point for us. The work of our contractor customers don't actually stop with selling the project. They have to go and design it, procure materials, construct them, and maintain them. So we really want to grow along the life cycle of the EV charging installation and support them with some of these downstream workflows. And after that, we want to expand into some of the other project types that our electrical contractors work on as well, and really evolve into the operating system that helps electricians and really transforms how they work fundamentally. And at Monterra, we really believe that electricians and contractors are at the heart of building a cleaner, more reliable, and more efficient infrastructure for the coming decades. And we want to grow to become the most trusted name amongst them. So about the founding team, myself and my co-founder Kelson have a lot of experience in energy, infrastructure, and B2B software. I spent a lot of time working with utilities and renewable energy companies across the country with smart grid deployment, energy efficiency programs, EV charging program design, et cetera. And Kelson spent a lot of time working with big tech companies to build workflow and productivity software that's used by millions of users. So together at Monterra, we're building a feature for a cleaner electrified future, and we're leading the charge one installation at a time. So if you're interested in learning more about Monterra, please come up and talk to us. Thank you.